everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, back with the daily giveaway, and we have a great prize today. I am giving away this bow maker, just very neat tool to make gorgeous ribbon bows. Look at that, how stunning is that? So those are the bows that you can make. So you've got different sizes here to create ribbon and fabric bows. This is the large size, just very cute. So that's the prize, and also I'm going to put one of these lovely gift tags in as well. Just a little update, I have finished one book of raffle tickets now, so that meant there's 500 tickets gone in here, and I've now started a pink book. So excuse me, if you've just received a number, then it's blue. If it says pink hashtag, then a number. Then, as you can see, there are a couple. I've just started the pink book in here, so you probably will end up with blue and pink tickets, but it will say pink, well, hashtag pink hashtag, then the number, or it will just say hashtag and a number, which means it's one of the blue tickets. Okay, so I hope that made sense. So let's see who the lucky winner is for today, and I'm going to give them a really good mix up, and I am going to close my eyes and just pick out, oh, I've got a ticket here, and the lucky winner is number 424. So please email me your name and address if you are the lucky winner of ticket 424. My email is in the description box below. Now, excuse me, later on this week, obviously it's the end of the month, I have been doing my March Madness giveaway. I do have some exciting news regarding the giveaway, and so you don't want to miss it. We still have lots and lots of tickets left in here, so I will be pulling out more than one a day. Now, it might not be tomorrow, it's probably going to be from Wednesday onwards, and it may even be a couple of days. So keep watching, because there are lots and lots of goodies to be given away. So don't forget your numbers. Please keep making notes. I've put 60 in here today from your comments. So those of you that are my regulars will be adding up these tickets, and I've probably got 20 or 30 entries in here. So do not forget your numbers. This is going to run till the end of the month. So I did have a couple of you ask how long the tickets stay in here. They will stay in here until the end of the 31st of March. So you've still got all these chances up until then. And like I said, I'll be doing more than one giveaway a day, probably from Wednesday. So watch this space. So keep an eye out for those. So happy crafting, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.